Hello ladies, welcome back to Modestmomma Vlogs. I'm Rachel, and in this video I'm doing an unboxing of two products. First one is a vacuum, a multi-floor cleaning vacuum. Here I'm showing you my old stick mop that is broken, which is why I decided, okay, it's time to purchase a new vacuum. And yeah, and this is where it was broken from, this section right here, and I just was struggling with this thing. And so when the right time came for me to purchase a new vacuum, I took the chance to do so. Although I liked this vacuum when at the time that I used it, because it was lightweight. I was able to maneuver, and it's cordless. It was cordless, but now I opted to get a new vacuum. This one's the Eureka Power Speed Pet and the Steam and Go. So here's the unboxing. I opened it up. This is the piece, some of the pieces there that you use for the vacuum for your needs. And here's the body of the vacuum. That's the unlock tool, lock button there. And then I'm pulling it out. You can see a little bit closer, and there she is, standing tall. Yeah. Just give you a good view of it, and it is corded, a corded machine, which is, I have mixed feelings about it, but I enjoy this machine. It really does get the job done. And these are the different parts with the the tube where the dirt will travel through into the vacuum, and then that's the handle rails there. Yeah. And it has these the hooks that you would put and that's the piece that you would wrap your cord around. So the top and bottom piece that you have to attach to the machine. Then there's some the brush there for more suction. Whatever your suction needs are, you could use those 4 pieces there. And then I'm showing you that's a crevice tool there, get into deep tight spaces. And that's for like pet hair if you have, or just hair, or any other materials that you want to pick up. You could use that tool and attach it to the machine to get the job done. So how you ladies doing today? I hope you're having a great day so far. I'm so happy to be able to come back and record this video for you. It wasn't supposed to be a voiceover, but I ended up finding out that my video the volume was muted, so here we are. But we're gonna keep the ball rolling with this. So I'm just showing you more of the tools. And now here we have the Steam and Go Housekeeper all-in-one system. It's in the box. And now we have it open. So here is the a bag to put some tools inside, and then here we have the pads. And then I took everything out of the box, and here it also has a QR code that you could get 10% off of your next purchase. So if you're interested, you can look up this company on Amazon. So, and this video is not sponsored, so this is the different social media plugs that they have. I'm showing you there. And so here's the different pieces to the mop, the steam mop. So yeah, I'm showing you there, close and personal. Yeah, all the different pieces. You got your measuring cups right there. And this is also a corded piece of machinery too. And moving on, here I'm showing you the manual had the names of the pieces. So yeah, if you could just take a guess, because I'm not going through all the pieces like to read them off, but just showing you that's the handle. I'm just showing you there the different functionalities. And also you can also wrap your cord around the back of the steam mop. And then the pieces, the chambers where you put your water. And then it also came with a solution, this water solution that you can add to the machine as well to help with cleaning. It's like this solution that you can use to spray the floor. And then the part that I was showing you for the water. The water goes into as well. So I like it. It's pretty, I've used it so far, so good. Yeah. So yeah, a list of the different pieces, the parts. If you ever were to get this, you can look it up, you know, look at, go to that page and just search it out, and then you'll be able to find, like, be able to identify each piece. And then that's the measuring cups there to help you pour the water and the solution into your machine. And this is the accessories kit box that it came in with for the Steam and Go steam mop. And so I'm also showing you the bag again. That's where you would put your, those little tools will go in that bag, the storage bag. So here I'm just pulling out the extra pieces of, it came with different kind of tools. Yeah, I haven't used majority of them I haven't even used yet. That's like a brush, like a metal. It's like the bristles are metal. And then this is another type of tool as well. I need to play around with them because I haven't used them yet for that. I just used it more basic for basic mopping so far. I haven't used the other little pieces, but it does come with these several little items. Yeah. Let me know, ladies, down below if you'd like for me to continue with this, like, being a keeper of your home series, because I was thinking about that. If you check out my last video from the Target haul that I did share scriptures, a particular scripture that stood out to me the most about being a keeper of the home. And if you would like for me to continue with the series like that, just to kind of label the video that way, being a keeper of the home, and create like sort of like a little series, please let me know. Okay, now back to where the video. So here we have, I'm just showing you the cord that's attached to the vacuum, and also the cord that is attached to the steam mop. So that's the only little downside of these machines that I have to use. I have to go back to corded, but I'm fine with that. That the vacuum and the steam mop does a phenomenal job, in my opinion. And it's about getting the job done. So here we are, ladies. I hope you enjoyed the video. See you next time.